Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover your lost crypto wallet keys in 2025 step by step. Step 1. If you lost the access to your wallet, check if you backed up the 12 or 24 word recovery phrase. And this is the only way to recover non-custodial wallets like metamask, Trust Wallet, or Exodus. Step 2. You can reinstall your wallet app and tap the Restore Wallet instead of creating a new one, if that feature is there. Step 3. Enter your recovery phrase exactly in order and spelling, and once you enter that, your wallet will sync and restore your access to your funds. Step 4. If you are using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor, restore access by entering the recovery phrase into the device or the official app. Step 5. If you don't have your recovery phrase, you can contact the wallet provider of the app that you use, only if it's a custodial platform like Coinbase or Binance. They can help you if you verify your identity with them. Step 6. To prevent this for future security, you can store your recovery phrase in a secure offline location because you should never share it online. And now, you know how to recover access to your lost crypto wallet keys. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.